Hey, loan officers, welcome to my top frequently asked questions videos. Today, we'll be covering getting integrated with UWM. And this is kind of my roadmap of other videos I'm going to be coming out with in the future. If you want access to all of them, join my community. There's a link in the description below this video. And of course, let me know what other topics you'd like to see me cover. Alrighty, how to set up UWM integration in ARIVE. You actually first, if you haven't already, you have to have your UWM portal set up. Basically, that's where you're sending your credentials from ARIVE, your API key, that's really long digit code, into UWM and connecting those two. So let me show you how to do that. So I'll include this article from ARIVE. You'll go to your user settings. Remember, you click on your picture in the top right corner, user settings, and then you'll see integrations and UWM tab. And then you'll simply click generate credentials, and that's giving you this really long code. The next thing you're going to want to do is log into UWM, and you're going to find the UWM portal page. I'm not sure exactly what that looks like. I think it's under their growth page. Let me double check real quick. So I was wrong. It's actually not in the growth. It's when you first log in, right at the very top bar, you see that UWM portal. So next you'll click on the add new connection box, and then you'll simply sign in under the ARIVE logo. And I think you just copy and paste the credentials, that long code that you got from ARIVE. So that's kind of the first step of getting into the UWM portal. And right now with UWM portal, you can click a button and your file instantly gets put into UWM. And you might be thinking like, big deal, Jordan, it's one click instead of 2 clicks to get a file into UWM, because the way we used to do it before is you just click download 3.4, you log into UWM, and then you would upload it. The reason why this is a big deal is ARIVE did something really sneaky over Christmas break, and they even made this announcement, but I think it went over most people's heads. They opened up their integration with ARIVE to be bi-directional when it comes to loan information. So everything you see here on the right is basically if you set up your integration, if you set up, this part that we're going to do next, then any information here, so like purchase price, I'm not going to list all of them. You can read all of them, but any loan information that gets updated in UWM will get kicked over into ARIVE. So if a file changes loan type, down payment amount, borrower information, pretty much anything other than a loan status, like loan statuses would be like loan is pre-approved, loan is disclosed, loan is submitted to underwriting, loan is clear to close. Those are statuses. Anything other than those, it will automatically update your file in ARIVE to match it if you turn on the setting. So to turn on the setting, you go to user settings. User settings is in the top right corner. You click on your beautiful picture and go down, not company settings, user settings. And then on the left, you'll see this menu here, and you'll click integrations, automatically sync lender events, and then you'll confirm it. The future is what has me giddy, and this is why you want to set this up. They are working on making this bi-directional API include loan statuses. So imagine this. Soon when an underwriter in UWM says, hey, this loan is clear to close, that will automatically happen in ARIVE. You'll hit clear to close status. When you hit clear to close status, you can trigger zaps, you can trigger emails. So you can, like, typically there's a clear to close email that goes out. Mine is, it's my face in the signature, and it's me. I have a custom video in there, and it's just congratulating them because clear to close is awesome, and it's a high emotional moment. You might want to ask for a Google review there. That's going to happen without me doing anything, just because I turned this setting on. So processing is going to get a whole lot easier. Communication is going to be even more streamlined. It's really exciting. If I had to use an analogy, if you're not set up right in ARIVE, it's like you're walking to a destination. And if you are just an ARIVE generic default user, not a pro user, if you implement my advice from my course, it's going to be like we're riding an e-bike. Things are going to be going a lot quicker. If you have Zapier, you have the pro features, I'll show you how to get the most out of it. It's like putting your business in a car. Like it's pretty exciting. And I think this, this is exciting now that's starting to go back. but this is what they're looking forward to. This is what they're working on. And that's, you got to be set up for it. It's going to be amazing. And I would hate for you not to get the most out of it because you're not built to scale. So I hope that video was helpful. If you have any questions, reach out to me. A lot of people ask me what CRM I'm using. This is one I am using. If you have any questions, I'm happy to show you behind the scenes. Just message me or book a call. But yeah, you're going to want to turn this on. This is going to be life-changing.